Hi, good evening. This is Scott at Scott Trades on Twitter with StockMarketMentor.com and your chart of the day. I want to take a look at Pulte Homes. This is ticker PHM. And I want to point out a level that I think is pretty darn important on this chart, and that is the 56.75 level. If I go back in time, you can see that back here in June, Pulte Homes broke below its 50-day moving average. And ever since then, just put in a series of lower highs until it really kind of broke down in September. It then rebounded, and where did it rebound to? The scene of the crime, 56.75. So we hit that level, broke down, and we're just kind of underneath it right now. Now, the thing that has me a little cautious about this chart is the fact that, yes, we are near a clear level of resistance, and I like that, but we're kind of rallying here on lower than average volume. So I don't know if this is ready for a strong breakout, especially since, it's typically kind of a low volume week anyways. But I think if we can get a daily and potentially a weekly close above this level, this could start a new uptrend for Pulte Homes and be great for the home building sector. So I think that it's definitely worth watching and having an alert on, maybe for a month or so, because ideally we'd see this stock kind of pull back into the moving averages, tighten up, give us a nice little base right under this level before a big breakthrough on volume. So I think that this setup could take a little while to play out, but I think that having an alert right around 56.75 on PHM is well worth it. So perhaps set an alert around that level on your platform, and we'll watch for a breakthrough on volume on the daily and weekly chart. So I hope that video was helpful. I hope you had a great Christmas and wish you the best for the new year. And if you haven't already, be sure and check out what we're doing over at StockMarketMentor.com. I think 2022 is going to be big. We'll see you soon.